Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a watch list using the TradingView app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, go to the watch list section on the left, and when you open the app the first time, it's going to have a few elements on the watch list at the beginning. As you can see, SPX 500, US 100 index, a few stocks, Apple, Tesla, and Netflix, a few popular stocks, some futures, US oil, gold, silver, some Forex, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD, and Yuan, and some crypto, Bitcoin USD, Bitcoin USDT, and Ethereum USD. But if you want to add more elements to your watch list, you have to tap on this plus icon on the top of the screen, and now you can find the cryptos or currencies or stocks or anything really that you would like to add to your watch list. One thing that you should keep in mind, that you can only add to your watch list and modify your watch list if you have signed up for the application. For the free version without signing in, you can only use the pre-made watch list. So yeah, and when you have these elements on your watch list, you can just tap on them and you can analyze the statistics. Obviously you can check the 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 5 years, and the all-time statistics of all these stocks and commodities and cryptos. And if you tap on this one, you also have to sign in, and you can edit or sort your watch list elements also only if you are signed in. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.